One blustery November morning, curious neighbors donned bulky coats to watch a contingent of Department of Community Maintenance workers, arborists, and police officers converge on Smith Street. Weighing in at 5,600 pounds and 43 feet tall, the blue spruce outgrew its boundaries and now has the distinction of being the official city Christmas tree for 2025. The designated route snaked from the south end to avoid narrow side streets and dangling electrical wires. Most drivers curbed their impatience as the oversized evergreen traveled by police escort. In years past, displaced squirrels scampered out as the tree was dropped. No worries, these cold weather mammals will take up real estate elsewhere. Crews have also come across vacated birds' nests. Companies involved in the volunteer effort include Coastal Water, Sewer, and Excavation and Northeastern Tree Service Incorporated. The Bosworth family donated the tree, which has been strung with more than 3,000 lights. Merry Christmas!